Hi everyone, this is not a cooking video. This is a life update video, but you're going to see me as I make my corn salad for our supper this evening. So I've done did a video, but I use white sheephead corn and I drain it. There's not much liquid in this anyway. But for this life update, it's still about my computer update. As you know, as I've told in the other video, years and years ago, the laptop that I was using finally quit on me. And so instead of buying a laptop or a computer, my son had a gaming computer, so it's really nice. But that's what I used to edit and do my videos with. Well, it finally went out. Something went out on it, the video card or something. So we was like, well, we're just going to buy another computer, a laptop or a desktop, but I think I want to go with a laptop this time. And we've been looking for laptops and stuff, just haven't made a purchase yet. And when it comes to me making big purchases like that, I will take my time and research them and all, because I want a good kind that will, you know, have a lot of storage space and all for my videos and stuff. And my son, who has a nice gaming desktop computer, you know, he said he will edit some of my videos on there when he has time. And he's a gamer, but he also does videos and works. So I'm not going to get on his computer and do that. My ice cream video, the last one, he did the edit on it and did the thumbnail and everything. When it comes to typing everything up, that's when I'll do it. So, you know, it's just when he has time. And like now, I ask him, you know, does he reckon if I do this today, maybe we can find some time tomorrow. We're going to try to make some more ice cream too. And I think this time it's going to be chocolate ice cream. So, we're going to try to get that made and filmed and all, hopefully tomorrow if nothing comes up. So, but other than that, you know, I've been real busy. We have kittens again and everything, so been real busy with that. And with our house, the insurance said it could take up to a year before it gets totally fixed. So our downstairs is still just awful. Everything's, you know, upstairs and crammed and packed tightly and stuff. So that's still an issue that we're dealing with. So it's been, you know, kind of stressful and everything. So in a couple of weeks, we have decided, we haven't went anywhere in a few years. So we're going to go to Florida. And that's one of my favorite places, our favorite places to go, to the beach. So we're planning that trip. And I can't wait. And help with, you know, get relaxed and de-stressed from life and all that's going on. And so other than that, I've still, like I say, we have a few laptops in mind. And before we make that purchase, we want our son, you know, he's real good at stuff like that, and that's what he went to college for and all, for IT and all that. So when he has a chance to, you know, go look with us and all, I make sure it's good and the kind that I want and everything. So, and when I do watch other videos, it's when I get a chance, either early in the morning on my iPad or in the evenings. So, because during the day, I'm usually, like, I don't cut on my TV during the day, really, at all. I usually just listen to music while I clean and do chores and take care of kittens and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what I do. So, but other than that, we're just excited for our trip. And yes, I'm mincing my little grape tomatoes up really small to go in my corn salad. And I want to give a special shout out to one of my subs. I hope I say your name right. It's either Luann or Leanne. And girl, I just love you to death. You're so sweet and kind. And I love your container garden you got going on. She's friends with me on my Facebook. So, we probably will not purchase the laptop until after we get back, because there's just so much to do right now. There's so much going on at my husband's work and everything. He's been having to work night shifts too among his day shifts. You know, he's a manager over there, so we really don't have time to go do a lot. So, like right now, he's in the bed to get up to go back to work here after a while. So, anyway, I want to try not to make this long and keep, you know, talking on and stuff. So, what y'all been up to? So, I think tomorrow we're going to make chocolate ice cream. Not sure yet. Have not made up my mind on that. When my mom opened her pool, you know, she has a swimming pool, her and my stepdad. And so, in the summertime, usually every Saturday, we go over there, and she opened the pool last Saturday, I think it was. And we made our homemade ice cream, and it was really good. So, anyway, that's what's been going on. So, I'm about to have to chop up my jalapeno and my onion and stuff to go in here. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. I do miss y'all. I do miss doing my videos. I had a lot of videos stored on that other computer, and I don't know if we'll be able to get them off of there or not, but it'll be alright. I can refilm. So, hopefully, today is Monday. Hopefully, we can try to get this uploaded tomorrow. But we'll see. You'll see when it comes out. Hopefully, it will be sometime this week. So, but anyway, I miss y'all. And hopefully we can get that ice cream made and get it uploaded soon. I just wanted to give y'all an update. And I may take the camera with us to Florida. I don't know yet. Sometimes that's kind of a pain. I do kind of feel like if you're on a family trip, you know, keep pulling out your camera and stuff like that. But then I like to have videos, you know, just when your kids and your grandkids or whatever get older, they'll be able to watch them and stuff. And you have memory of it. So, I don't know yet, but we'll see. Anyway, bye y'all.